Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling cookies on Samsung browser. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down the settings and tap on Apps. In the Apps settings, scroll down to Samsung Internet and tap on it. Tap Samsung Internet Settings at the top of the options. Scroll down the Internet settings and tap Privacy and Security. In the Privacy and Security settings, scroll down and switch the toggle on to allow cookies, or off to disable them. When in the on position, the toggle will be blue. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.